You're listening to Mannys Scale Modeling with Manny and co-host John Scale Models. Grab some coffee, sit back, and let's talk plastic models.
Hey, everybody. Thanks for listening to Mannys Scale Modeling Podcast. And we have John from John Scale Models in. How's it going, bro?
Good. How's it going?
Going. So you just finished your
71 Hemi Cuda.
Yep. And so you just got that done a couple days ago, right?
Yeah. It was it was last weekend.
Yeah, last weekend. Okay.
Yeah.
We just did a video on it.
Yep.
For your channel, which is
John Scale Models.
So that video will be up probably within an hour or two, something like that or whatever.
Yeah.
We're gonna go live on Mannys Scale Modeling YouTube channel and do a little bit of building and talking with other modelers for a little bit and hang out for a few.
Yep.
Yeah, the CUDA turned out freaking awesome. And you're going to start your next one right now. Well, you started at what?
Started it this morning.
This morning? Yeah.
Yeah. It's the 68 Pontiac Firebird. It's the Foose edition. Pretty sweet kit.
Yeah. You got the chassis. I see you got the chassis.
Got the chassis pretty much done. Working on the motor. Didn't have the paint color I wanted, so I'm on hold on that for a minute. But
yeah, I was gonna say too, everybody not to forget that Gaahleri has their Christmas and New Year's Eve or New Year's sales going on right now.
Yeah, I was just looking at them the other day.
Yep, and it ends January 4th. So click the link below the video and go check them out and get, your new airbrush, compressor, any parts you need if you have Gaahleri Air Brushes, and the new Mobius 0.2 millimeter or the Mobius 0.3 millimeter are their brand new airbrushes, and they are awesome.
Yeah, I haven't used one yet, but they look sweet.
Yeah, they're sweet.
Yeah,
I just did the review on the 0.3.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, I don't know if you've seen it. They had a video on their channel on YouTube.
Yep.
Explaining the design and
whatnot.
I watched the other day. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. I watch all their YouTube videos too.
It's got a lot of cool features on it.
Yeah. That's why I can't wait to do the review on the 0.2 because that's going to be awesome.
Right.
Yeah. Which I'm going to be using that one, the 0.2, the Mobius 0.2, the GHAC 98D, and the GHAD 68 will all be used in the Fire Flame video series.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm going to use all three, so that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, we just want to get on here quick and, talk about your CUDA, which did come out awesome.
I appreciate it. There's a couple of things I wasn't super happy about, but
well, it's also your second kit you've ever built too, so
yeah, it's still learning stuff and all that.
Yep.
So
yeah, but it looks awesome. You already got you got colors picked out for the Firebird yet?
Not 100% yet. I'm thinking about doing the body, the German gray. I really like the color. It's a sweet color.
Now, when you were talking about that earlier when we were having dinner, of course, the wives weren't paying attention to us because we were talking model stuff, but
yeah.
Friend of mine, Zippy, on his channel, he just did a truck, the German gray,
yeah,
and then cleared it, and it looks awesome.
Yeah.
So when you said that at dinner, it's what color you were thinking. I'm like, well, I've seen that color, so I know what it looks like.
Right.
You know? And Zippy's truck it's sweet. Sweet. Yeah.
I mean, it's a cool color. I like the color a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll have to go on Zippy's channel and watch that video. It's
check it out.
Yeah, there's 2 or 3 on it, so you can see it when it's in base coat, and you can see it when, after it's cleared.
No. Yeah, I wanna. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for, the interior color too.
Right. Are you gonna do a body match, like engine and body color?
I don't know.
Yeah, just
guess you'll just have to wait and see.
Wait and see. I did get the Bronco done today, finally.
Yeah, I've seen that.
And if these cheer buttons on this control panel worked, I'd be using it.
Yeah.
Got that done. I did a video on that today. That's on my channel, Mannys Scale Modeling. And
didn't your wife tell you to have that done like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, she did. That was the one she wanted me to build that we're putting out in the living room. So
no.
Yeah. But I did get it done today.
It looks sweet.
It's up on a shelf. Thanks. It's up on a shelf. And now she's already wanting to go to Hobby Lobby or something and buy me another truck to paint this. I think it's one of those orange colors I did. It might be the Inspire candy orange.
Okay.
Over the gold base. She wants me to do a truck that color to put on the shelf in the living room. So
nice.
Yeah, that'll be 3 I'll have out there.
Well, at least you're getting your models out there now.
Yeah, but only ones that she picks out and buys. And
see, I just put mine in the living room, and
yeah, well, yeah, that's another channel that we have. Oh,
but yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the interior. I don't know what I want to do yet.
Yeah, I guess it depends on. I mean, of course you can paint it whatever you want, but you try to pick out something that's going to match.
Yeah,
it goes together good.
The Cuda that I just finished, I think that interior looked really good with the body color.
Yeah, it does. It goes good together good, yeah.
And I mean, I was surprised with that color. I didn't know if it was going to work,
Yeah.
I mean, it looked okay, in the jar.
Yeah.
But you don't know until you get it on there.
Yep. And my biggest thing is, I mean, I've told you before, I love the tan and beige type colors for interiors. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I'm
going to have to go look. I got to get some more colors and stuff to work with. And
yeah.
Might go with a lighter tan maybe, or, something along that lines, maybe a cream even.
Yeah, I can give you a little tip. Like a beige or tan. They're nice interior colors.
Yeah, I mean, I think a tan would look pretty good.
Yeah. I'm just I got the Bronco done, so now I can move on to some other builds. I got a group build I'm doing for Time Machine scale models.
Yeah.
Doing the fat fendered fins and chrome group build, which is going to be awesome. I'm building a 40 Willys truck. Got some bigger fenders on it, whatever. And, I just finished, I just finished the Galaxy that I was doing for Adam over at Sodak Model Cars.
Yeah.
I just took some pictures a little while ago, did a video, or I got to still do the video, real quick on it, and that'll be done. So really I've done. Was
that the naked build?
Yes. Yeah. I did a video on the channel a few days ago of just the builds that I had completed for this year, and it was 6, I think.
Yeah.
So 7, 8, so roughly 8. I just didn't put those in the video; they weren't done. Yeah. So let's we'll get this edited and put up on all of our podcast platforms and on the website, and get some building done.
Yeah.
And we'll be live. So hopefully if you hear this in time, you'll be able to catch us live, but if not, you can still watch the video on Mannys Scale Modeling. But go check out John Scale Modeling and check out his
John Scale Models.
John Scale Models. Yeah. Maybe we should have changed that name. Check his CUDA build out. It's awesome. And we'll be back.
See ya.
See ya.